Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do do. Guess what we're learning today? You guessed it, baby shark. I am so excited because this will be an instant hit in your household. We've got a Uke Crazy version of Baby Shark coming your way. So get your uke, get your shark, get your baby shark, and let's rock. Okay, I'm excited to learn Baby Shark with you. We're gonna be on our A string for this entire song. We're just gonna be moving up and down our board, getting our melody to sound perfect with the song so you can sing and laugh. All right, so we're gonna start with an open 2, 5. And then you can just leave your finger holding down that 5 because what we have is we've got 5 more 5s coming at you. Now, of course, when you're playing this song with the way the melody goes, it will have that beat in it, but I'm just gonna go over the notes right now, and then Phoenix is gonna jump in here and get the song rocking for us. And then after you do those 5 5s, we've got another open 2 5, followed by, you guessed it, 5 5s. All right, again, just hang in there, learning the notes right now. And then we're gonna get the song rolling in just a second. There is a small variation in this next part, so check out this tab. You'll see at the end, it's a 5 5, and then it ends with a 4. And then you're gonna start the song over. But the beginning is exactly the same with that open 2 5, and then our 5 5s. And then this last part is gonna be a 5 5 4. So you can kind of sing it along in your head. You can kind of know what part that is, okay? So it's super simple. Run through it a few times, and I'm gonna get Phoenix to jump in here and do the play-alongs for you. Mama shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark. Daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark.
Alright friends, we're going to play Baby Shark. So we're going to start on this note right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do. Let's go hunt.